Connecting Ramp with your accounting provider ensures that all company expenditure, whether it's bills, reimbursements, or card charges, are all correctly classified and accounted for. This helps close your books more quickly at the end of the month. You can first start by going to the accounting page found on the left-hand navigation bar. You'll notice that you can either press Get Started or you can select someone else from your team to help set this up. If you'd like to designate another team member to help set this up, they will need to have already been invited to Ramp, and they will need to be a bookkeeper, an administrator, or an owner in Ramp. We'll go ahead and click Get Started, and you'll notice that it opens a window on the right. So Ramp has integrations with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, Xero, NetSuite, and Sage Intacct. If you're not seeing your provider listed here, you can search for your provider via the dropdown below. Once you find your provider, you can upload your universal CSV here. If you are connecting Ramp with a provider that Ramp integrates with, you can go ahead and press Get Started and then select your provider. I'll go ahead and select QuickBooks. So when I select QuickBooks, first I'll connect to QuickBooks. You'll notice that it redirects me into QuickBooks. You'll confirm the account that you'd like to connect and then press Connect. Connecting Ramp with your accounting provider takes a mere matter of minutes and a couple of clicks, and it helps close your books in a more timely fashion at the end of each month. The accounting page will show all of your unsynced transactions. As you code transactions and sync them over, they will disappear from this page. So think of this page almost as your month-end to-do list, meaning you want this page to be blank at month end because that means all transactions have been coded properly and have been synced over. A best practice with coding transactions is to click the dropdown and take advantage of Ramp's rules. You can create rules on the merchant level, on the category level, or on the card level. If you have any questions on how to connect Ramp with your accounting provider or how to set up rules, please reach out to success@ramp.com.